Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the videos, liking, commenting. Means a lot to us, motivates us to make more videos. There is tons of ideas and things that we do daily with the dogs that we would like to share with the world. Many people messaging me privately on Facebook and asking some questions that they see in the videos. I just want to say, feel free to ask in the comments as well. That way I have a data to look at and answer right on the spot and maybe make a video about it. I'm sure you're asking yourself now what you're looking at and why is the food on the floor. Here in this video I'm working with puppies, imprinting them to clicker, simply teaching them the sound of clicker means food reward, just to get them used to the sound. Later I will work with them individually as well. And the reason why is the food on the ground. There is several reasons for this. A, it's eliminate guardian item, the ball, so they don't fight. It eliminates food aggression between the puppies. And it also teaches them to hunt. If you notice, every time they eat like that, there is never any fights, and they are faces to faces. Why? Because they're busy with hunting behavior other than holding and guarding their own ball. Once they learn to eat from the floor, we go on the grass, and that's to teach them early to hunt in the grass for kibble. Later it helps with tracking for IGP very much. So we start them the whole litter. We start early on. Since we don't know yet who is who and who is going to go to which sport homes, it's better to start the whole litter. Here I am working with puppies individually using a clicker. They all respond pretty equally with slight differences. In those differences what I'm looking for. Start some clicker loading. Nice. Yep. All I want him now is just to follow my hand. Find food. Learn sound of clicker. So later it will be easier. Nice, good boy. Easier to work with him, to train him, and also separate from the pack and do a little bit morning one-on-one work. Nice, good job, man. Good job, little man. Other hand. And from here we'll go, come on. Good. This puppy is cool. Nice. Puss. Come. Nice. Hey. Come. Good. Come. Nice, good boy. This video was made for future owners of those puppies, so it's a little bit longer. Collar getting tight. Are you ready? Hi. Oh yeah, you're ready. Oh yeah, you're ready. Everybody's curious how they're doing and if I see any superstars yet, and I want to show each puppy in one video so everybody can see. So far they all show nice food drive, and I mentioned it in one of my previous videos. I believe this is due to early work with them and slightly underfeeding the puppies. Everybody likes chubby puppies, but underfeeding them, keeping them a little bit more hungry, does establish better food drive for future. Ow! That was my finger. They're not starving, they're not dying, they just need hunt for food. That was not good. CaneCorso, everything through the paw. It's always interesting to see that even in such a simple exercise, some figure it out quick and use their brain, some just choose to bully the exercise. They all learn, but they all learn in slightly different ways. The key is to find a key for each dog individually.
got a live one.
Good sight on him. He's the first one that's paying attention to where the animals. There's many qualities we're looking for in a dog. They're all different. There is no perfect dog. By doing all these exercises and work with them early on, it exposes their strengths and their weaknesses and allows us to work things out early enough for the goal to, yes, create that perfect dog. If we know early on what bothers the dog, we can work on it. Of course, genetics playing a huge role. We're just tweaking the little things.
Nice.
This is yellow boy. Hi. Hi, monster. Whoa. We just introduced them to a gunshots this morning. That video is coming up. I'm working on it. That will be next video. We are really pleased with this litter so far. One more. Where did it go? Ah, smarty pants. Hey, little girl. Hey, little girl. You found it. Oh, she's super cool. Oh, my bad.
Whoa.
Oh, she bites. Well, I can teach you actually to do it with no paws quick. But I gotta be able to take the food away when you do it. And with kibble, it's a little bit hard. Why paw first and not the mouse? That's your problem. Too much pawing. It hurts. Good. Thanks again for watching. We will be back with more.